help us all understand what's going on here at the COVID-19. I'm Larry Holsey, Director of Municipal Information and Communication for the City of Waco. We're in the third floor conference room when there's about 4 people total here, but we're still observing social distancing and wearing the face coverings. We think that's a message we want to clearly let you know that that's vital to us. Today we're going to be visiting with four gentlemen in our specialty as far as 5. We also, because downstairs in our studio, we are providing American Sign Language translation, as well as we are recording a complete audio in Spanish that this afternoon at 4:30, we'll lay that audio on top of this video, and we'll have a full Spanish translation of everything that's going to be said today. And always so gracious to join us for our press conference early on is our council member for District 2, Hector Sabito, to speak to our Spanish audience, make sure they know how to access this special presentation at 4:30 this afternoon. Hector?
Thank you so much, Larry. Para ayudar a nuestros ciudadanos que hablan español a saber lo que se dice durante esta conferencia de prensa, un traductor está grabando una traducción en español en vivo durante esta conferencia de prensa. Esa grabación completa en español reemplazará el sonido del inglés del video y una versión en español de toda la conferencia de prensa se reproducirá en el canal de cable de la ciudad de Waco aproximadamente a las 4:30 de esta tarde. Puede ver la conferencia de prensa en el canal 10 o por internet en wccc.tv. Larry, thank you again for the opportunity.
I always thank you, Hector, for being a part of this, too. Joining me today and being able to answer questions that we've not only received prior to this, but we're answering those who are media are County Judge Scott Felton. We want to thank Judge Felton being here. Dr. Jackson Griggs from the Family Health Center. Dr. Farley Verner, the Health Authority for the Waco-McLennan County Public Health District. And filling in for our mayor today is our city manager, our new city manager, Bradley Ford. Gentlemen, I'll kind of outline again how we normally do this. We'll start off with each of you, if we will. Allow each one of you to kind of tell us what your thoughts maybe are, a little opening comments, what's on your heart and mind. And then following that, I'll go through the questions that I've assembled that we've gotten throughout the community. And following that, then we'll open it for the media that we have online. And then following that, we'll let you all have an opportunity to wrap up with a statement as a closing statement. So let's get started. If we'd like to, I'd like to start with opening comments. We'll start with Dr. Griggs.
Hello, and thank you for the invitation back. I'll start with some of the big kind of picture, and I'm looking forward to, I've seen a sneak preview of City Manager Ford's description of what's going on in our community, and I'm really looking forward to hearing from him. I think he's got a really good description and a good finger on the pulse of what's happening in McLennan County and in Waco. So worldwide, we're approaching now 17 million cases and over 660,000 deaths. In the United States, we're just shy of 4.4 million cases and 150,000 deaths. In Texas, we're right at 400,000 cases and 6,000 deaths in our state. Saying that, the state daily new cases and daily hospitalizations have plateaued, and we're just starting to see what may be an early trend in the downward direction. The positivity rate in Texas has been gradually trending down over the past 2 weeks and is now at 13%. McLennan County updates, this is as of this afternoon. The total number of confirmed cases is 4,192, 1,982 of which are currently active. And as of this afternoon, the Public Health District has received notification of 84 new cases of coronavirus. 64 people are currently hospitalized with COVID-19. And the Health District reports that 15 of those hospitalized patients with COVID-19 are currently requiring ventilator support. As of yesterday afternoon, there have been 39 total deaths in our county. Total tests completed on McLennan County residents, 32,004. The RT that you heard me report on a regular basis, this is the effective reproductive number from the UT School of Public Health, has McLennan County at 0.84, and Children's Hospital of Philadelphia Policy Lab has McLennan County at 0.88. Both calculations are less than 1, which is, again, key for slowing viral spread. Within nursing homes in McLennan County, there have been a total of 16 facility outbreaks, and remember that term is defined as one or more residents who have been diagnosed with COVID-19, and 328 total cases in long-term care facilities to date. There have been a total of 18 deaths associated with long-term care facilities, COVID-19 in McLennan County. And this week there are 2 new facilities that have had outbreaks, but each of those facilities have, the numbers have been relatively small in each of those facilities at 1 or 2 cases. At the county jail, there are currently 3 total active cases among staff and inmates. So taken collectively, there are 3. And as you may know, starting 2 days ago and continuing intermittently through August 15th, PCR viral testing via cheek swab. So this is not the uncomfortable swab that goes in the nose, but via cheek swab. PCR testing is being offered at all community members, for all community members at no charge. Again, City Manager Ford will go into further detail, but I can't tell you how important this opportunity is for our community to take full advantage of to get tested over the next 2.5 weeks. Getting our positivity rate down below 10%, even hopefully closer to 5%, gives us a much better chance at controlling the spread of this virus. And I didn't want to miss the opportunity to give a plug for that free testing. And you'll probably hear us echo that maybe 2 or 3 more times during the press conference, because we think this is such a critical opportunity for our community. Thank you.
Dr. Werner.
You're on mute.
Dr. Werner, you're on mute. Can you unmute for us, please?
I can fix it. I will speak to the rescinding of the order to public and private schools on reopening